It's January 14th, 2023. Welcome to part 2 in my series on how to propagate geraniums and mandevilla. My first video, which was when I originally took these cuttings, was in October of last year. So it's been about 3 months. I have them down here in my grow room. So take a closer look at these babies, these little cuttings that I took that were so small back in October, a mere 3 months ago. And look at them now. I'll tell you, the leaves are bigger than any that I have ever had on a geranium. I think the reason for it is because of the particular type of light source I'm using. I've got 4 of these 4-foot long 30-watt lights that are called advanced red light spectrum lights. They are, from what I understand, supposed to actually be for established plants, and they help you to get them to either blossom if you're looking for flowers, or set fruit, etc. These plants, they do periodically try to throw flowers. I go through, maybe once or twice a week, and I check for any little blossoms that are starting. I cut them off because I really don't want them to waste their energy. And we have the mother geraniums. These are the ones that I took all the cuttings from. They really like this light source a lot. They bloom and bloom. It's amazing. In addition, I've got the 2 mandevillas. As you can see, the mandevillas are not minding this light source at all. They're growing like crazy. My next video, I am going to show you actually how I went about propagating both the geranium cuttings and the mandevilla cuttings. I'll show you exactly how I took them. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.